What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you my people. The talker phone I give problem again. So I'm going to run through that intro here quick and fast, you know what I mean? So we have the lion man my people, scratch with Annie, you know what I mean? We have Annie, Shay, we have a bunch of foolishness going on TikTok my people. You see me, the lion man I plan up with Shay them and other people look like for bring down Annie, you know what I mean? Shay come out and say why picture with Zoe or video with Zoe and man and Ray. Yo, them say Annie I run up and down because of CDA, because Zoe now go to school and them something there. People, me have a bunch of things, but as me say, me have to run the intro quick and fast because, you know what I mean, talk a phone and give problem or something. So here we go on. One in a year in the intro and I go see it in the video and maybe add more things as we go on. So here we go on, we could get in and people.
And the man go behind the car and a piss. A bloody man a piss. And I say, what do you? And the man say a kidney problem he have. But me say, me no want my man go here say me a driving a baby father car. Ain't no man stay until me just start talk to him man. Cause me think I'm brain him a use, you know, so you know say me go find a man and know him a say that, you know. Cause when him dead, you know, I know 1 year since me I talk to him man in a couple months. So when me say alright, you know, a sickness, so me a follow him. Me drop my portman, he said me want to car, me can. So I said, no, me don't want to care. Next thing, I go take blood clot car and I go get my money and forget a week time from the man. No, me don't want no care. Me take taxi go home. So me drop him off at Portmore and left him and car in yard. He might get in treatment, kidney problem. And when the man have 2 weeks left to live, the doctor they say I can't sign it. And I know them make we know say I can't sign it. And my sister husband mother tell my mother. And she tell for mother. Cause she is sister up a KPH. Like a head nurse. And like me I feel looking at life and I say, boy, me ask Father God, why you never take me? Remember me and the man there, me have my man, no. Me and him not there, no. Me and him go talk on phone and him say, you want him family, you want back in family, you don't want him pitney grow with no one part, you want mother and father around him pitney. And me a plan say me a go back to him cause me and the man start argue early, you know, very early, you know. About 2 months we start arguing, you know. So like me that say, you know, better me stick to me evil when me know cause me don't know me father and me I problem. Him no war about, him not even bad with no cuss. As me cuss and bad with ring off my mouth. Like ring me, literally ring me mouth. Kinda like it. You understand? So like me I say, this a man and me and him mouth and me cause I'm a Sagittarius and me a Leo, you know. A 2 blood clot tag and war. If he say hey, me I say behind blood clot. You understand? So like me I say, me and someone don't agree, yeah, man. So better me go back to my baby father. So me and him start talk on the phone at night time when me dey a Spanish town now. But as soon as me reach a yard now, me lock off the phone. Me no lock it up, me put it on silent. So me go in the night now and put the phone on silent. And then give me 8 missed call. So me wake up in the morning and me no check phone. And me do what me I do, me cook, and me go Spanish town. Me sit down with my friend them and we a gamble. And then in about after 3, me say, right, nobody no call me from morning. My phone no ring from morning. At that day there, me know say, phone can get 71 missed call. Me never know say phone could have get so much missed call. And the first number where they on the top, I hit me press back. And I sister. And she said to me, say, if me ear will go on. And I say, what? If me ear will happen. I say, no. And she say, yeah, yes, sir, Robert dead. Was sitting where me swallow. Me swallow want something from yasso. And it come like it stop yasso. Me don't know what me swallow, you know. But me swallow something to blood clot. Remember, me have nothing on me on iPhone, yeah, me ears, you know. But you see when me swallow, come like it has stop me breath. Me can't move the phone. Me can't talk again, cause like when me swallow dumb me. But my friend when named Marga miss, we sit down on the table and a gamble. She say, what do you? Cause she can see eye water. It's like you're turning a statue. But eye water make you know say, oh, if statue a cry. And she say, what do you? And me say, like it can't come out. And she say, what you say? And when me say it again, eye water just bloop and just drop out of me eye them. Cause me no want nobody see me a ball, you know. She said, what you say? Me say, they say Robert dead. So me have to go to town, a KPH. And me chat one carry the whole of way a gamble, whole of we go town. It's like, me not think me love nothing more than money. In a den time there. And it come like if a man did give me $1 million that day there. Me no want it. Or me would know say money. It's like me no see nothing at all. Not even look boy, me can't see nothing. Me just a say when me know him, what we do, every argument, when he come down on me yard, when we fight, when we cuss, it's like your brain clad up with just a person. Yes, when me go in night, from that night there, me 80 man and me live with you know. Blood clot. From I make me not get. Yes, when me listen voice note them. Remember me not check your phone and go check on a voice note, you know. Yes, when me go in and check a voice note them. Pa one I voice note, the man said, Dan, please answer your phone. Tell one I doctor them to just give me an injection and kill me. Please, me I beg you. Me say from that night there, me 80 man and still do 14 more blood clot years. That's why me know say a woman or a man can live together and eat them one another like poison. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me say from that night there. Remember me a man baby mother me have pitney for him man and me no get to talk to him man for him last because true him I say him no want nobody him do not talk in a night in a house because him not take call in a night. So me put the phone on silent. Remember no problem all along you know. I saw we Jamaican you know. Remember no problem all along to me you know. Me good with it you know. Cause principle. But you see dead when man go dead. Me no good with that blood clot. Me say from that day them 80 man. No matter how me and my fuck me no have no feelings. All right gone.
As me say my people, the talk of phone now go on too good this morning. So tell me what you think in the comment section and make a watch some more.
God like me put all I blame on the man to blood clot. And then the man can be a father. And I me put the blame on. And me can't help it. Me can't do nothing. I never tell him, I never say nothing. Me just go in the house and go in the bathroom and ball. Ask God why he never take me. Ball till me can't ball no more. Me come out of the bathroom and go me blood clot bed. About a week or 2 weeks in the Spanish town and come in and say to me, say, oh, you not tell me, say, you be a father dead. Me say, me don't have to tell her. And he say, alright, ma'am, nobody cuss me. And we never discuss it, we never talk about that blood clot there. Me and him never hold a conversation about it. Here. Me say, at the first in my life, remember me have 2 brothers dead, me a father dead. You know, never come here a iron make me. Me never know say them the feelings of their world. Blood clot. Who feels it knows? Who feels it knows? Me say when me light, you saw me sit down in the bathroom and lock the door. It come like a little light. Me have to turn it off, it's too bright. Me can't take no light. Me no want a light. You see your head? Blood? It come like it a plate. Too much sitting in your head. Like your head a spin round with be a blood clot sitting all I wanna go. Every party where we go, every drop asleep when drop asleep, every gingy me care by myself and say go on. Everything a spinning on me blood clotted. Me never know in my life. Say my baby father could have dead. It come like a friend that the man that dead. Me start looking to life as a blood clot. Anybody can dead, you know? Like me start really looking to it. Say, it's real. Like death is real. Cause no matter what dead round me, no come like nothing to me. Cause them no, I know my business. All the people them Afghanistan and them they were used with people are boom. Me the things I just sure to me, you know, them not really, you know. And since me come a foreign and I what CNN, like literally what CNN, me I say bumbo clot. And so me start a feeling see people them, you know. And when my baby father pass, feelings coming at me. Where people are go through when they have people. Me a girl was dead and me laugh. Like I said, when I go on so far, I say a girl a ball, but I say watch him a man, he looking at a man, he want to see him boy ma ball and a roll and a go. Not do him. And them they thinking they coming at me thought. Till when me get it for me blood clot self. Me slide down and lean me back and ask Father. Me say, let me tell you exactly word me use. Me say, Father God, him man have everything. Him man have build house. Him man have 12 subject. Him man just turn manager. Me don't go gamble every day. Me no do nothing take me. Why you never take me? Make a so me ask blood clot God. Me say look how much things him man have ahead of him. Why you never take me? But when I fear time, I fear time. I may tell you to blood clot. That feelings. Remember I say I'm a baby father, you know? I'm a pitney father. And if I'm a pitney father, I feel so. I'm a father dead, I no feel so. Me two brother dead, I no feel so. Blood clot. I remember every good when do for me to blood clot. All the bad then turn in a good. Cause body that like no.
No found me not play no voice note for you so. Lift up. I wanna come off from a page. Oh. Like you not no shame, like you not some look shame a dog. You not no shame. No found me no want to know over you. Oh. No found there some me no want to know over you. If I have 10 people, may have me a roll with the 10 people. Now lift up and go from here so. I'm wanna pin who now come tell me pin if you go take her own life. When I come skin off on a stinking teeth. When you can look at one 14-year-old pitney and I come put her down. I wanna man. I wanna make pitney to stay so. Wanna stink like a dog. Come plug in the ring light there for mommy. Yeah, thank you. Me now stay up online chat. Me now stay up online.
Honey.
What go on, Bonnie?
Well, nobody's come up on my screen with me.
I don't say me now stay up online though. I just something me play for my chat. You see me?
Today I Chantel birthday.
Me know mama call her man. I call her. I go make channel. You know say me I go bless you up for your birthday. When I time me even remember me have to call her back, Bonnie. You understand? I just go through a look up at you now and she know that.
Alright then, later.
Yeah man, just play some game with her man. Chanel, keep yourself happy and smiling, baby girl. You hear?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
And in my inbox here. Inbox me on that small page, you know, baby. Inbox me on that small page here. You know see me the right here so. When the right here so in front of you, I go talk about you see. You know see me? You blind? I can't read you know them bag of text they won't come with, you know, just make it short. Make the text them short. I can't deal with no long text. I can't read that too much. And then all I blood clot come like some people come at people yard and nobody no want them out in the yard. You know some people will come at people yard and you don't want them at them yard and you run them all a million times and them come back. You know some maga dog will come across the fence and you run the dog because he must shit up your yard. See them here. See them here. Because all you beg them good night. Eh? I want to still find me to blood clean like me there in a way. Me no there in a none of way, you know. Me no in a none of way. Father God see I know. Wish me can avoid enough for uno. If I have a 10 somebody over here with me, me thank God for the 10 of uno. Me don't know where una go. From no like me, I like me pick me no like none of uno. When I go look for me, look at underage, pick me 14-year-old daughter, when I have pick we are teenager, we are going no problem. Eh? And you come and tell me, look at pick if you come take our own life. Eh? Me no want none of uno deal with me. Uno heartless. Uno forgot humanity. Uno forgot uno self. You see me? I will my cuss and miserable. Remember me tell me I have love in me. Me have so much love in me forgive. And that me I tell you. Man I like evil wicked people. No lift up and go from your son man. Well I wanna come pack up your son. God and time big up yourself. Me soon accept your request. Guys, me I go run the voice note here. Cause them not left. We not.
Alright, my people, as I say, I run through this quick and fast. So, Annie, I got expose voice note with a woman. We are try to bring her down. We are link up with them. You know what I mean? One bag sitting on the lion man and a bunch of things with people. So, make we run through it. You know what I mean? Let me stop talk. I mean, not talk much in other one. Yeah, and make we hear what go on.
Some people will come at people yard and you don't want them at them yard and you run them all a million times and them come back. You know some maga dog will come across the fence and you run the dog because he must shit up your yard. See them here. See them here. Because all you beg them good night. Eh? I want to still find me to blood clean like me there in a way. Me no there in a none of way, you know. Me no in a none of way. Father God see I know. Wish me can avoid enough for uno. If I have a 10 somebody over here with me, me thank God for the 10 of uno. I don't know where una go. From no like me, I like me pick them, I like none of uno. When I go look for me, look at underage, pick them a 14-year-old daughter, when I have pick them we are teenager, we are going no problem. Eh? And you come and tell me, look at pick if you come take our own life. Eh? Me no want none of uno deal with me. Uno heartless. When forgot humanity, when forgot on self. You see me? I will my cuss and miserable. Remember me tell me I have love in me. Me have so much love in me forgive. And that me I tell you. Man I like evil wicked people. No lift up and go from your son man. Well I wanna come pack up your son. God and time big up yourself. Me soon accept your request. Guys, me I go run the voice note here. Cause them not left. When I know so much away over here and I know found they are no support me. I run the voice note for you. That's it. It's a heartless thing, me I tell you. I break them, I try break down the little girl. Even when me, the mother can't handle certain things, them can't manage it. And you go look on a little old child and tell her, say, she forgot end one life. We don't know nothing about uno. We don't talk about people on social media we don't know about. We sick. Guys, mama come, a blue team. Blue team me I deal with. Me I deal with my people them. When I talk about the people them was stray away, because I show my corner, I don't call no foul. I want to listen to that voice note here. Please, listen to that voice note here. I'm show no evil, lurk and bad mind energy. But I want to see it for yourself because you depend on the media. And on the day here, so even if you watch people video, I want to listen or people wicked and heartless.
We got fight to our part. It's not blood clot and it was. And the woman want her gift to them. When them ting or whatever she want them and she make any catch up here. And you can't chat. No matter how I go up on her live and they done her and they tell her, say, member says, oh, well, let's go because she in a great blood clot with the second class school. She can't do a black my page, and you can't argue with me. No matter how I go up on live and they done her, she never yet argue with me. And you can't argue with me because she knows, say, me know, say, Alex and fuck Zoe, and Alex short and frownsy. And if you don't feel like say Anya run up and down because say she want run up and down, it's because I see the make Anya run up and down. That's why I'm texting that group to them and ask. They say anybody will have any number, they can send it in the group, any one of them number, so CD can get them blood clot number to call them because I CD she run up and down from. I hear that shit about in December, but she carries so we got find to her father. Not a blood clot father, telling kids how we go sell pussy.
The person who said that video make it text me personal and said he come give me. I want to save it.
Boy, me I tell you, I show you that wood.
Yeah. Underneath me make the one that will go over there, report her live till she blood clot come up on TikTok for good with her slap me and the whole of them from Wilbert mommy go right down. The whole lot of blood clot them is come up on TikTok now. Cause him not give all me a little chance. You can't get a chance from blood clot TikTok.
Guys, we need to go report our live. We need to report the whole of we over 2,000 odd people over here. We need to go report our live.
Me I go play it back for you. I am going to play it back for you guys again. Me I go run back it for you again. Me tell you today, you know, when me say the live I report, you know, me say to you, say them I report my live. Listen what them say the Alex a fuck Zoe. We are talking it out raw. Them say me can't Zoe go far and go sell pussy. Them say me I run away from CDA. A CDA make me a run up and down. Come on man, me want to know listen. Them say them a gang up on me to get rid of me off a TikTok because them not get no chance. People like them not get no chance.
Alright my people, I want to say a whole heap of things, but as me I tell you about the talker phone, just so me I say, so me I left uno to give an opinion in the comment section because boy my people, me feel like say like some of the things them want go on with this youth here is like the mother have to hold accountable for it. And if certain things never did go on with her and she never did show certain type of behavior and people never come and say nothing about it, me no feel like say people would have go so hard on her. But here we go on. When them a tell her fi NRLIFE, you know what I mean, take out herself, that no nice none at all. You see me, so we can't condone them type of behavior the people that tell look up at yourself everywhere. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think with people. I watch some more.
And I share, on a ear share, right? On a listening from what day, you know, long me a complain, I tell you, say share of all person. I told you guys what share I do, and nobody now listen to me. Everybody choose to say me a liar. Share, you know. Share where a woman like me and you. By the way, share no blood clot woman, by the way. Sorry. I do against a woman. I want to listen again, please. Me I beg you, listen. My daughter, she say I fuck with Alex. She said the woman when give me where me get place from. She say a woman give me the place name what? Ting. You know listen.
We got find to our part. It's not blood clot on the house. And the woman want her gift to them. When them ting or whatever she want him and she make Annie catch up here. Annie can't chat. No matter how I go up on her live and they done her and they tell her say member says oh well let's go because she in a great blood clot with the second class school. She can't do a black my page but Annie can't argue with me. No matter how I go up on live and they done her, she never yet argue with me. Annie can't argue with me because she know say me know say Alex and fuck Zoe and Alex short and frownsy. And if you don't feel like say Annie I run up and down because say she want run up and down, it's because I see they make Annie run up and down. That's why I'm texting that group to them ask. They say anybody will have Annie number, they can send it to the group, any one of them number, so CD can get them blood clot number to call them because I CD she run up and down from. I even time she talk about in December but she carries so we got find to her father. Not a blood clot father, selling cars so we go sell pussy.
The person who said that video I make it, text me personal and say they come give me. I want to save it.
Why me I tell you, I true you talk about.
Yeah. But I need to make the one that will go over there, report her life till she blood clot come off a TikTok for good with her slap mission. The whole of them from Wilbert, mommy go right down. The whole lot of blood clot them is come off a TikTok now. Cause him not give all me a little chance. Me can't get a chance from blood clot TikTok.
Guys, we need to go report her life.
So me I make a girl can't come out on TikTok. Yeah, Annie. You need to text me. Hold on there. I must follow you already. Hold on there. You need to text me. Me I go take drastic action. Me I tell you the truth. Me now dep online a cuss and I watch people like them with end your life. People like them with bad mind you and end your life. How me can stop a girl? False accusation against someone is. Wanna talk to me, Annie. Wanna talk to me? I beg. If you know someone can say to me, tell me in box. As somebody see this, as somebody send this to me and tell me say be careful. Me tell you no, me send me location to Jayden. Jayden look for me and tell me say him a come here, come look for me. And because me rate Jayden, me send me location to Jayden. Jayden send me location to Shay. Come in. You hear me tell you? Jayden send me location to Shay. So Jayden we are pretend with me. You see me? Come amongst me for find out things and send it to Shay. Of course it is serious. It is very text me inbox. It is very much serious. She said me look my 17-year-old son. My 17-year-old son taller than all me. My 17-year-old son taller than even me. The girl said Alex shot and Molly and Chanel and Alex have sex with Zoe. I'm sister. She said me can't me pity go sell. God. How many more me can take out of this shit here? Me I go take actions, you know. Me I tell you the truth. Me I go take actions against this. Right? It's a cyber bullying. Yeah, man. I don't need them for true. Me no need them because all of them a laugh with me, meanwhile them a bring me down. And me hear Miss Triple warn me. Miss Triple look at me and say to me, say, Annie, me I warn you. You see them a go put you in a problem. My day saw me, I wonder why I could have do Jayden so. I swear to you upon my life. Even when Jayden I go come here, what day ya? My kids them say, Mommy, no. I come him, I go come and next he find out things about we and them amongst we and pretend with we and go back on the media. Jayden call down my phone, me can show you know. And Miss Jayden says, send me the location and I send Jayden the location. Jayden take my location and send it to Shay. Jayden are the person who tell Shay all of them are something about Mika Boo. So the whole thing is they want me to come off of the media. Them say me not give them no chance. Say all of them are gang up against me. If you report me page, you get rid of me off of social media. Me never know say me so big I take up a whole space for social media. I never know that. Eh? Bad mind is a hell of a blood clot thing when me tell you say people wicked and bad mind. I want to hear it for yourself, you know. You hear me I tell you today my live I report 24/7 my live I report. And I said
Alright my people, so leave your comment, let me know what you think in the comment section, you know what I mean, make a watch some more.
to say them I report my live. The whole of them gang up. The girl send out people them say a Zoe in the video. Because she want people to believe say my daughter in a sex video. When we go up on the video, I can't show them. I want to go look on the video. I know me pitney that. That is not my child. But because them want to start rumors on the family, you get what me I say? The girl Shay. That girl Shay when he am Debo, the tough looking, blood clad looking man. And she do all of this. Me tell you, you know, say Shay send man come at me yard and nobody no believe me, you know. Eh? Say she send man come at me yard, you know what she say? Oh, you know say me not talk about that donkey there. God kill me I say, you know. God is in control, honey. Me not talk about that donkey there, you know. Cause no body man can't expose me, you know. Me not understand how shit up for expose a woman, you know. How body man for expose a woman. Where you go expose my front? Me not talk about that the donkey there. That the donkey they write off from Damien write it off. So me not give that the donkey there no time. You hear me? Guys, me just come online, come talk to you know, me I come back off. Me not stay up here. I'm going on my local peace tree. And we need to talk. Need a lawyer, let me know. Me need one. I swear to you, God and time, I need one. Me need one. Me nah let this go. God and time, me nah let this go. Dirty people, don't waste your energy on dirty people. Me nah waste my energy. That's the reason why I just leave you alone and shut my mouth now. Me just come out here so for make you guys hear. Me I go there on my backup page, guys. Me now come out on the front page. You know what them a try to do? Them a try to take the big page. You see the big page? You need to be serious about this. No, me don't. Let me tell you something, God and time. I promise uno that never see me back around Jayden. I promise uno that for me pitney them life. Yeah, them a try to control me. That is what them a do humble. Me say me promise you for me pitney them life. I don't know me pitney them. I don't know me love me pitney them. Me promise you for me pitney them life. You would never see me back blood clot around Jayden. You know Jayden come on life come say, Mika boo, tell him say, she takes sex in her bottom. No, tell me no to bumbo clean. Father God tell me never know that boy you hate me so. Me no know if you don't see video them, you know. Jayden, I make sure say me take it down too. Me make sure say me take it down. Jayden come online. It can't like you know hear when me say, oh Jesus God, and my belly crumble. And my belly crumble. And you know, say yesterday Jayden called me. And Jayden say he want to talk to me privately. And I said, okay. And I go one side and I talk to Jayden and Jayden said to me, say, Annie, you know say that boy ya hold you down? Me say, oh. He said, police. Yes, that is what me need. As what she said me not feel load up things. Right? Cause enough of them feel like we don't know which part them live. You get me? No matter if them they are foreign, you can do what you have to do. Right? Jayden said to me yesterday, and called me, you know, and my reason, you know. And he tell me, say, Annie, you know, she said that boy there hold you down. Me say, oh. Him say, TikTok police, you know, she said, friend, him come round here, him salt you up. And you need to go back in at the ranking. Me not see no ranking. Me laugh and me say to him, say, Jay, nobody not salt me up, man. Me just go focus and go back in at the ranking. He say, Annie, yes, the boy has salt you up, Annie. You understand me? He say, when Mika there? Me say, Mika no there, you so side of me. Right? He said, all right, then me want to come down there. Me can't come much party there. Me said, yes, Jay, you can't come with me there. You tell me, say, you go friend me up and talk to me so like you with me. Meanwhile, you tear me down like a nobody. Eh? At least them say Jabba's a hypocrite, but Jabba should have never do this to me, pitney them. It's all about the money for him. That's why he's not. Yeah. I that me notice. He will push anybody up underneath the bus. Yeah, he will push anybody underneath the bus. Because when time we and him did there, down at middle quarters, right? When me and him did down at middle quarters, him said, I mean, I tell you about we sit down and we are talk. And me go in the kitchen. And when me come back, me hear him a say, cause me cook Jayden food, you know. Me not fi hype and disrespect nobody, you know. And me cook Jayden food, you know. All them a talk about my mouth stink, all of them suck me, you know. And me cook Jayden food, you know. Say me was a stinking woman. Why you da have me a cook your food, a cook your mashed potato and your chicken and red give you? And you tell me say you love me like a mother. The man sit down at middle quarters. The man say if me no realize said nothing no come out of Ashley's story. You hear me I tell you? He say you no realize nothing could come out of Ashley's story. Me say why? He say when him done with Ashley, nobody couldn't believe Ashley. And he just sit down there and laugh like some narcissist. Him said nothing could come out of Ashley's story when him done with Ashley. Because when him do, a man say him link up with the whole of him friend them. And everybody come on and who take up for him. And them turn around the whole story for Ashley. So Ashley look like an idiot. Right? Of course, at that time I do. Anywhere the views there, there's a Jayden go. Anywhere the views there. And him laugh and gloat off for Ashley. And I say, you don't see how I mash her up. Hey, me see me God and time, me no wish bad for nobody, you know. But me no want none of them people here deal with me, you know. You hear me I tell you? All the argument when Jayden, when you look at man girl, when you look at D-Bud looking dude. Right? Yes. She have sick, but she go bust it out pan him. She go bust it out pan him because him go to she and tell him about say him and Mika boo there in a back seat a car. And Jayden go tell him that. Jayden go to D-Bo and tell D-Bo say, oh him and Mika there in a back seat a car. A boy like that will walk on video woman. Jayden no love no name woman, me I tell you. Right? Everything when you hear them attack, most of the things them are Jayden. Today Jayden go over Tony and live and tell Tony and say, cuss her, this her. Meanwhile, Jayden come and text me and tell me in a comment section, cussy girl. And if Jayden go over there and tell her, say, fake this shit, yeah. Me I go take.
The people, me not lie, this I get from bad to worse. You know what I mean? As me say, me talk a phone again issue, so me not talk too much, make me know what you think in the comment section.
Actions, you know, me I tell you the truth. Me I go take actions against this. Right? It's a cyberbullying. Yeah, man. I don't need them for true. Me no need them because all of them are laugh with me, meanwhile them are bring me down. I'm here, Miss Triple warn me. Miss Triple warn me. Miss Triple look at me and said to me, put you in a problem. My day you saw me, I wonder why I could have do Jayden so. I swear to you upon my life. Even when Jayden I go come here, what day ya? My kids them say, Mommy, no. I come him, I go come and next you find out things about we and them amongst we and pretend with we and go back on the media. Jayden call down my phone, Jayden call down my phone, make you show you know. And Mr. Jayden say send me the location and I send Jayden the location. Jayden take my location and send it to Shay. Jayden are the person who tell Shay all of them are something about me, Kaboo. So the whole thing is they want me to come off of the media. Them say me not give them no chance. Say all of them are gang up against me. For report my page to get rid of me off of social media. Me never know say me so big I take up the whole space for social media. I never know that. Bad mind is a hell of a blood clot thing when me tell you say people wicked and bad mind. I want you to hear it for yourself, you know. You hear me I tell you today my life I report 24/7 my life I report. And I say to you say them I report my life. The whole of them gang up. And you know what the girl do? The girl send out Zoe in the video. Because she want people to believe say my daughter in a sex video. When we go up on the video, because I can't show them, I want to go look on the video. I know me pitney that. That is not my child. But because them want to start rumors on the family, you get what me I say? The girl Shay. That girl Shay when he am Debo, the tough looking, blood clad looking man. And she do all of this. Me tell you know, say she send man come on me yard and nobody no believe me, you know. Say she send man come on me yard, you know what she say? Oh, you know say me not talk about that donkey there. God kill me I say, you know. God is in control, honey. Me not talk about that donkey there, you know. Cause nobody man can't expose me, you know. Me not understand how she took for expose a woman, you know. How body man for expose a woman. Where you go expose my front? Me not talk about that the donkey there. That the donkey they write off from Damien write it off. So me not give that the donkey there no time. You hear me? Guys, me just come online, come talk to you know, me I come back off. Me not stay up here. I'm going on my local peace tree. And we need to talk of need a lawyer, let me know. Me need one. I swear to you, God and time I need one. Me need one. Me nah let this go. God and time me nah let this go. Dirty people, don't waste your energy on dirty people. Me nah waste my energy. That's the reason why I just leave you alone and shut my mouth now. Me just come out here so for make you guys hear. Me I go there on my backup page, guys. Me now come out on the front page. You know what them a try to do? Them a try to take the big page. You see the big page? You need to be serious about this. No, me don't. Let me tell you something, God and time. I promise uno that never see me back around Jayden. I promise uno that for me pitney them life. Yeah, them a try to control me. That is what them a do humble. Me say me promise you for me pitney them life. I wanna know me pitney them. I wanna know me love me pitney them. Me promise you for me pitney them life. You would never see me back blood clot around Jayden. You know Jayden come on life go say, me Kaboo, tell him say, she takes sex in her bottom. No, tell me no to bumbo clean. Father God tell me never know the boy that hate me so.
I'm a people, me can tell you this. Yo, you see, tomorrow or the next day after, Annie and the Lion Man that again a countless time him do them something here, and Annie you know what I mean, brush it off after she bring him down on the internet. You see me, I say I'm friend back with him. That a Stockholm syndrome, my people. You see me? Make you watch some more.
Me no know if you no see video them, you know. Jayden, I make sure say me take it down too. Me make sure say me take it down. Jayden come online. Because I couldn't hear when me say, oh Jesus God, and my belly crumble. And my belly crumble. And you know, say yesterday Jayden called me. And Jayden say he want to talk to me privately. And I said, okay. And I go one side and I talk to Jayden, and Jayden said to me, say, Annie, you know say that boy you hold you down? I say, who? He said, police. Yes, that is what me need. As what she said me not feel load up things. Right? And enough of them feel like we don't know which part them live. You get me? No matter if them they are foreign, you can't do what you have to do. Right? Jayden said to me yesterday, call me, you know, I mean, my reason, you know. And he tell me, say, Annie, you know, she said that boy they are hold you down. I say, oh. He said, TikTok police, you know, she said, friend, him come around here, him salt you up. And you need to go back in at the ranking. Me not see no ranking. Me laugh and me say to him, say, Jay, nobody not salt me up, man. Me just have to focus and go back in at the ranking. He said, Annie, yes, the boy has salt you up, Annie. You understand me? He said, when Mika there, me say Mika no there, you're so side of me. Right? He said, alright then, me want to come down there. Me can't come much party there. Me said, yes, Jay, you can come with me there. You tell me, say, you're going to friend me up and talk to me so like you're with me. Meanwhile, you tear me down like a nobody. Eh? At least them say Jabba's a hypocrite, but Jabba should have never do this to me, pity them. It's all about the money for him. That's why he's not. Yeah. I that me notice. He will push anybody up underneath the bus. Yeah, he will push anybody underneath the bus. Because when time we and him did there, down at middle quarters, right? When me and him did down at middle quarters, him said, I tell you about we sit down and we are talk. And me go in at the kitchen. And when me come back, me hear him and say, cause me cook Jayden food, you know. Me not have hype and disrespect nobody, you know. And me cook Jayden food, you know. All them a talk about my mouth stink, all of them suck me, you know. And me cook Jayden food, you know. Say me was a stinking woman. Why you don't have me a cook your food, I cook your mashed potato and your chicken and red take you? And you tell me say you love me like a mother. The man sit down at middle quarters. The man say if me no realize that nothing no come out of Ashley's story. You hear me I tell you? He say you no realize nothing could come out of Ashley's story. Me say why? He say when him done with Ashley, nobody couldn't believe Ashley. And he just sit down there and laugh like some narcissist. He said nothing could come out of Ashley's story when he done with Ashley. Because when him do, a man say him link up with the whole of him friend them. And everybody come on and overtake up for him. And them turn on the whole story for Ashley. So Ashley look like an idiot. Right? Of course at that time I do anyway the views there, they say Jayden go. Anyway the views there. And him laugh and gloat off of Ashley. And I say, you don't see how I mash her up. Hey, me say, see me God and time, me no wish bad for nobody, you know. But me no want none of them people here deal with me, you know. You hear me I tell you? And the argument when Jayden, when they look at man girl, when they look at D-bot looking dude. Right? Yes. But she go bust it out pan him. She go bust it out pan him because him go to she and tell him about say him and Mika boo there in a back seat a car. And Jayden go tell him that. Jayden go to Debo and tell Debo say, oh him and Mika there in a back seat a car. A boy like that will walk on video woman. Jayden no love nothing name woman me I tell you. Right? Everything when you hear them attack, most of the things them are Jayden. Today Jayden go over Tony and live and tell Tony and say cuss her, this her, Meanwhile, Jayden come and text me and tell me in a comment section, cussy girl. And if Jayden go over there and tell her, say, for team up with them. And that Jayden go tell Tony and say, team up with them. Hey, I won't heap of something about out, you know. I won't heap of something about out, I don't know what I'm going, you know. And me, them I try to take down, and me are the problem. And I cannot see that, oh, no, say me I don't say but. Me I want them to say me I want don't say but. So, oh, don't say but, you not try to get rid of one don't smarty. Eh? Oh, not try to get rid of me. Me not get that. Alright, you see the argument? I'm going to tell you this from now, before me even start. No, that them attack say, that means I'm powerful enough. Me I go tell you so.
I'm posting on TikTok, guys.
Catch up with Insta.
Instagram. My Instagram is Destiny. Destiny.
What, you know, say boy, if you gone over there?
Hold on, I'm going to post it on Instagram.
See over there.
Instagram again.
We are class if you when you come back.
Yeah, but me I tell her the Instagram. I not post it on my main Instagram. I don't want to take off my main Instagram. I'm going to post it on the page named Destiny_pretti 1999. The Instagram is Destiny_.
But if me go stop boom.
The Instagram is Destiny_pretti 1999. That one day, I don't want to post on my main page. If I post on my main page, I ban me. Now I post on my main Instagram.
Sister was sweet to be able to suck in your teeth.
See there.
Oh, yeah,
Yes. Everybody, please wear a mask.
You see me look like body right now?
Please wear a mask.
Mika argue.
Please wear a mask.
Start the whole day on the air. Don't blood clot come over here, say the official. Because I know views here, look. You are none of your blood clot. Look here. You are your blood clot alligator.
People, me not lie still, you know. Annie and our people, them, our family, them a go through it on social media, you know. Yeah, man, them a go through it, man. And at the end of the day, my people, nobody is perfect. But me not excuse some of the behavior with Zoe. You know what I mean? That's the only thing maybe I have a problem with Annie. And you know what I mean? Like, she feel draw up Zoe and make you know say my look up picnic, not because I'm big in her body certain way, my look up picnic. You understand? Make me know one thing.
Back friend them come suck out my body hole. All I uno over there, so. Destiny, all I uno where I come across here, so you're on blood clot, the official. All I uno come suck out my body hole, mix up blood clot people. Go from here, so. I want to you. Bumbo, you have all data too. You think you have no good for blood clots, eh?
Wear your mask.
I don't need to look views from Annie. Annie views not going anywhere.
Wear a mask.
I don't need to look views from Annie, my love. I'll have my own views.
Me post it now. You post it on the story. TikTok and Instagram and take it down quick so not run go look.
He send her the request.
I want them to put dirty blood clot people.
It's all you do. Jesus, the people are
I want that Annie feel like some of blood clot.
I people come into one so Jesus Christ, people are going bad. Oh man, Vanity. No coming over here. We're not coming over my life.
Please send the request.
Anybody want to see the picture of my page name Destiny? Destiny, and she has a picture of me of course.
Come, cause you're bad.
The name Destiny _pretti 1999.
You for blood clot come. Lean front
Destiny
Annie.
_pretti
You for come, you
1999
have
on
to decline the
Instagram.
request. Yes, it's
Go on my Instagram.
Girl, stop sending me a bag of requests, man. I want to know. Stop sending me the request, them, man. I understand this because you watch me on your phone right now, blood clot shame. I fight alone and I stand alone. I don't wait for no girl, no boy, no cow, no rat, no puss, no dog for fight for me. Look for me. Me a type of bitch will step in your blood clot face. You dey behind your camera, do your fuckery. You send out my location. You understand me? I say you come back with the old blood clot video them and a big fat pussy. Yeah? What else you can come with? You send out video. I come talk about my daughter, bitch. Eh? You think you're not gonna get away with that, don't? You think say, ooh, everybody is Zoe. Huh? They think say you're good now. Everybody, ooh, I saw we. Big thinking blood clot pervert girl. In my daughter blood clot inbox, I text my daughter drunk for sure you're desperate for views. Where the things say I eat now when time you send out the video, everybody I talk about Zoe. Bitch, me know my pitney. And me birds are. She come with a nice piece of blood clot birthmark. Anything she a do. And me know her body. And me birth her. And me take care of her. Unlike you when I take care of your blood clot pitney.
Me no know where blood clot him. Who no see it a pussy hole. Bumbuckler. Me tired of them man. I saw them deaf. And me keep on a repeat. Somebody type in here in the chat. Type in here because they don't know what to spell.
Yeah.
You have to follow me to see the video. You have to follow me to see. I saw myself on the Instagram. The page name Destiny _pretty.
You know how she come for me today? Tony and over your class her and me a laugh. So she start for me too. You know me not understand with Annie. If nobody a class her, you know for laugh, you know for dip on the screen, you for just stay so like a robot, like they got like a
you know
for say nothing.
Annie, I want to Annie.
The police, the SWAT team, the army, call the ambulance. Yeah, make a complaint. Look at me, Shay. Me not fi do nobody for hype up. Natural no blood clot and guess what? Sitting down, relaxing, big thinking bitch. You have to exalt yourself. And he that exalt themselves shall be a base. Me tell you say your time a come. When me tell you say your time a come, big thinking stretch out or big thinking stretch out or your time a come. You hear? Watch and see. Social media thing said good for your girl come leak smart the blood clot location. Send people come at people yard. When they depend your sound see countless of things to happen past social media. And all I want to take it for blood clot joke. You understand? Right? A bag of bullying, dragging people blood clot pitney. You know, look on itself when people in an argument make you cuss back and forward. You take it to the level where you're coming after my kids. My 14-year-old blood clot daughter, but you not gonna know no better, you know. Because guess what? You come like some blood clot waff dog. You come like a puss. You have your pitney them and you're gone if your blood clot pitney. You don't know how your blood clot pitney grow. And that me I tell you. So you're not gonna understand a shit when me I talk about. Yeah. You're not gonna understand. When you cuss you, me never blood clot stay upon it, me go about my business. But you see, no, my sister, you're really and truly obsessed with me. Big thinking, ranking more, girl. Okay, then, no problem. No problem. Since me a soft soap shit, you can tap on me. No blood clot problem. Going out on media, tell people about a Zoe the pan video so people for release my daughter in a sex tape. Talk it truth now. To all your blood clot desperate. You make people believe it's a sex tape. My daughter depan. Knowing that says not my daughter. But you want people to believe so they want to run the rumors about my pitney. So for sure you're desperate no blood clot. I want to show you how you're desperate ranking more blood clot, fishy more blood clot, girl. You go for the old video where them leak at me from how long 2 to 3 years back. Seems like you love see my pum pum. Seems like you love see any big fat pum pum. It seems like you love look up underneath me. I feel like you're your girl. Jerk off by my videos at night time. Yeah. Why you investigated about my soul? Oh, you so invested? I feel like you want to suck my clit. You, me see it in your eyes.
Must boy, we see your pussy all over. We see your cocky in your mouth all over. Every man cocky you suck. You star blue movie. That is what famous about you.
And everybody see the video when she suck cocky. You still have it?
Hold on.
We are post everything, you know, she go down, you know, she
That is what famous about you, bitch. You talk about people who are fame and views are for you. To do views can pay. Can views do anything?
I post it. Everybody type the page name. My page is Destiny_Pretti1999 on Instagram.
Right now.
What do you?
Right now, me not telling a lie, Annie. The group better than TikTok right now. The group better than TikTok right now, Annie. 2,000 people over here, almost 3,000. I mean, not tell a lie. Over here better than the blood clot internet right? Over there, burn up. A pure niceness. Yeah, pure niceness. Every minute one new video send with you. Every minute.
We are weapon Zoe, we want Zoe and Mika hold to all of them.
Anya, them send all one video in a group. Anya so cocky in a slow motion. See ya? Slow motion.
Alright, my people, leave your comments. We have a move on to the next one. Tell me what you think in the comment section, my people, because Jano, a whole heap of things that match you at Anya and I picking them, you know. But more I know if, like, you know, people, make a what? Make a move on to the next.
Slow motion, no blood clot. Anya so cocky in a slow motion. Yes! Come and through the in that group. Ask who in that group about it. And you so cocky in a slow motion. That one in the name, slow motion.
Yeah. Regime coming like mudfish to chew. All my head straight. Them can't call to me a road because me and them no friend. Me and them is not people I don't know me. Me and them not friends, we not cut from the same cloth. No, Lisa Ray. You see a piece of gas, baby, you see? I'm a drink tea twice. Yeah, me and them that cut from the same cloth. Them can't call to me out the road because me and no friend, me don't know them from nowhere, go suck on a mother. When me am out on a mother, me don't know them from the one that can't call to me. You not agree with me, I admire and court? Where? The one time you go lift up your hand to them things that you and them body, warrior. So basically, you can't fool with people who are afraid to be themselves. Yeah, me not sure for people. Once you're pretentious, you can't be my friend. Once you're pretentious, you cannot be my friend. You know why? Because the whole friendship based on, I have to pretend with you. I'm gonna depend on that shit. Me not pretend with you. You never know. So you think say me go call to them and when them call to me and I know say me not like them, me not answer because me not style for myself. Number one, you call walk on, I look for you son. Cut my hair and walk away. You know next time you not to do it. People, let me tell you something. I'm still in a church, you know. I'm still in a church, so. And church sister around come because we always have a session in a church where you meet and greet. And church sisters around come hug me. I come say, do not hug me. Do not touch me. And I just said so. And they might ask, why this, why that? When other people come and ask me after church, why don't I say she doesn't speak to me on the road, so she can't come in a church, come hug me. Should I meet and greet? Actually in a church, make me not tell you that they show me. Yeah man, me not play hypocrite, no, me can't play hypocrite like them for the app. That's why I don't come up here come beg. I sit in the church and them come and say, do not touch me. So number one, when meet and greet start, or as it start, I just pick up my phone, so I my head down because I don't want nobody touch me. I not meet and I not greet. I sit down so. Everybody just a pass me. And when it done, I hold up my head. Me, my love. And you see me on the road and you pass me. I'll pass the pan pulpit and look for me. Pastor prosecute me when I'm done, but I not do it. I can't live a lie. Oh. You will come over, but oh, welcome, glad to see you today. I am not happy to see you. Because when I see you in a week, you're not happy to see me. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be like I'm getting a duty done. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. Just like the false prophet them on the app. You don't hear none of them. And I don't hear say one false prophet go Nisha 99. Whether the one where we keep or the one where the family keep. I don't hear one false prophet go the girl 99. Not one and only like everybody will prophesy over the girl. Then they are foreign. I don't know how Abel have so much talk. I mean, not even see Abel there support Owe. I don't even see Abel have support Owe. I don't even see Abel. It's not, that's why I tell you, I listen to the noise of the market, you know.
Alright, my people, so we are going to hear the things that we should talk about. Owe and the TikTokers, them. We're going to link up Nisha Candlelight and something, you know what I mean? I know them steal the spotlight from him and prevent him from going #1 and them something there, you know what I mean? But Shubada, one of the person that we always a bash Owe, so I don't know how the more change, you know. I don't want to think, you know what I mean? So make we get united, my people.
Stand up and advocate. He should be the one lighting all the candles. You don't have no gas. You can drive that country for unique crutches, but you can't take up yourself and go support where you advocate for. And these are the stuff me I say. You stream it for benefit of it. And one thing me want to say now. Just one thing me want to say. Me no want no TikToker come and not even one picnic for me. Me no want nobody stream out my event. That's all me can say. Me no want nobody walk with no ring light. Me no want nobody walk with them phone pan live. Me no want nobody. No want no TikToker come and nothing for me. Nothing for me. Me no want a TikToker come. Not one earthly thing. Not one day thing I want TikToker come for me. Once a TikToker stay in your yard, not even keep a beach strip I want TikTokers come. God no. Not even keep a beach trip. I want TikTokers come. Me I'm afraid to invite TikTokers at church. One thing, them have bad principles, very nasty principles. No reverence, nothing at all. Nothing at all. I say when you look on ring light, stand up in the road. When you look on ring light, stand up in the road, you know. I always a sweep and never run at the same set of dust there. Girl, not give me no credit because I don't know when I sweep say. Because no matter how I sweep at the same set of dust, them come back. better give me no credit here. I just go in vain. Yeah. And that I want to talk about. It make you want that people are going to support you. Why don't they just support you? Why don't they just support you? Everybody, me say when me look, me say about 3 dozen ring light in the road. About 3 dozen ring light. That's all I put that say. I can't feel the reverence. Me don't want nothing taka, no ranka come, nothing for me. Nothing me don't want them come. So they never see ring light them in the road. Eh? When they never see ring light them. Purpose, what you mean you never see no ring light in the road? Go back and watch the video them. The mountain ring light. The mountain ring light. Everybody depend life. That's why say a World Cup. Then if we did want to go number 1, him could go number 1 at the Iron Woman Candlelight. Could never. All of them upstage him. All of them upstage him. None of them just stand back so and say, make our boots him live. Yeah man, make our boots him live. Since I appear TikTok there. You would have to struggle for go number 1. Yeah. Appear competition. Pure competition. Then that you say one go number 1, so all them never allow him for go number 1. Why them never allow the brother for go number 1? Since una support, allow the brother for go number 1 now. The whole other gone on the man event can upstage the man number 1. And that me can't understand. And that part of me can't understand. I wanna say people to leave the boy and rest the boy, you know. I wanna say people to leave the boy, rest the boy. And the boy I say, you want number 1 to buy up Nisha funeral things them. And you gonna tell me, say, everybody drive out if you gonna make content. And that me want to know just a part that me want to ask because it just a spell sense to me. Thanks for the visual aid, but it not spell sense because we don't see either way. Whether previous or late. Yeah. So if he wants to go to number 1, why everybody depend live?
All. You come for stress up my whole blood clot night. That's how I said to you, you know, that's all. You come for stress up my whole entire blood clot night. My whole night you come for blood clot stress out. I don't know if I say nothing to blood clot, yo. I dope here right now on our demons. Trad. For the last couple of weeks, me and up well for the last couple more for the last couple of weeks. Me and happy long time, you know. Me and happy long time. Long time me and happy. Just now show it. Me and happy long time, me not chat long time me and happy.
Alright, my people, so I want to not tell more what I think about what Rosealee say and she being unhappy and them something there. You know, say in life, yeah, all of your stars them now go line up. Yeah man, all of your stars them now go line up. You see me? Something I go off. It's either you're rich, you're unhappy, or you're unhappy, or you're happy and poor. You see me I say? Or you're happy but you're not comfortable, or you're comfortable, you know what I mean, but you're not happy. You see me? All of your stars them now go line up. So tell me why you that take comfortable over happiness or happiness over being comfortable. You see me I say, let me know what you think, my people.
Yeah. Me and happy over the whole for years, but still on my blood clot, still on happy. Because these are the things that makes you unhappy. You can't say nothing to them and them also want chat to you. These are the things that make you unhappy with a person. And them want them no listen to what you say, no. But when them talk to you, you feel listen. But years now, me unhappy. Me just there so eat, sleep, drink and fuck. In the unhappiness. And I watch no face. Because I'm gonna simply say to you that you cannot be drinking liquor and taking a pill. Am I saying something wrong to you? Ask anybody in the fucking world for you depend on antibiotics. No matter what it might be, you're not supposed to be mixing with the alcohol. You take your medication, you left the liquor and take your medication. It's like you do a surgery for your face and you take the medication for it. The swelling go down for all of the information come out. Take that farm back there. You dey put your meds, you not take your meds, man. Doctor have write it all years people know say you can't mix pill with alcohol. The only thing you can, the only pill you can probably chance with alcohol our Panadol. If you head that you take one Panadol and then the next hour and a half or so, you can try look at liquor. Panadol alone me know. When I take antibiotics, where you have to go in a doctor for prescribe, give you don't know wow. Some of them cannot even mix with that even milk or cheese. And the fucking boy, they say them are crosses. Top in the whole kitchen. They say them are idiot. I'm not saying they just can't, them is yo, that's what I say. Trot, don't forget rid of drinks and fuck, I'm here till they say, you have to get rid of drinks. We can't live so. Get rid of them, chat. We can't live so. And it's not because I don't want someone to sing and get it wrong in a chat. I don't want them to feel like say, I don't want them to sing and get it wrong say, because I do this, I pay too much. I don't want them to get it that way there. I want to get them one way say, I had too much. You're having too much of one person too long. You're gnawing your fuck. You're gnawing. That's all I say to you, you know. You can't leave the liquor for a moment. You have one bump here so them go cut it. I said to him, so get your medication, you get your medication. I said to him, so you have to take your medication for your face come down. You wake up this morning, you take your medication. I say left the liquor and take your medication. Left your weed and take your medication. You have to take it. For your face go down and for the swell, it all help heal up the cut. Him there I'm cutting myself to him say, look here now. You have the bandage for your face and it sweat. You need to go dress your face. Go and dress your fucking face. Me would say no go back up my place. Let me try my best with the crosses, man. You're the best. I'm a baby father. But how much time I go put on 100, you put not even 20. I just simply saying to something that your own good. You cannot blood clot you cannot take medication and I go run for drink because you go on come here so want to talk to your man. Your man say for drink and come like something wrong with them. Something's wrong, seriously wrong with him. I can't take no more chat. I can't take them life I live in no more. I can't live so no more. A blood clot. No. Not when me a pray. bigger dreams and inspiration. When you're broke and hungry, you can live certain life. But when life told for you have money, you can buy a local food, you can even smoke, you can buy a local smokings, if you drink, you can buy a local drinking, you can't send up in them guys school. My mind contented, I want to smile. When the mind is contented, they're supposed to be happy. If I wake up tomorrow morning and my toe happen, I say, I can't go to the bank. I'm going to go look at the doctor. I say, doctor, look at my toe. Why the fuck me come every day? I ain't have worries. Morning worries. No, wait. Talk, man, me ain't no secret. Me not hold no secret talk. Me not hold no secret talk. Me not want a food. Spit tonight, shit tonight. Me not want a food. Move. I'm sorry for me, move. May I disrespect you? That's all you come for open the fucking door. May I disrespect you? You know what is disrespect? When you're fucking at me eye. That's a disrespect. That drain my fucking energy, man. Like something wrong with you. That's how I said to him, you know. That's how I said to him. You know, you cannot be taking meds and be drinking. Leffy liquor. We are search it for Leffy. You take your pill. Take your pill and Leffy liquor. You don't smoke weed already. That is bad. Because sometimes the weed don't even make the medication. When you cut cross the weed with the medication, it doesn't even make it fucking work. Not energy drainer, man. This man come mash me up and destroy me in a one hole. Every single day I wake up and I started at your intention. Them drain energy, you fuck. You don't drain the energy, just drain it out. Drain the energy, just drain it out. When I'm cutting out, when everything bleed out of you, when blood bleed out of you, all the energy drain out. You can't have a peace of mind. And I say that to you all of a sudden, I say, no, sir, I throw your top, I'm left it. You come? Yeah. I'm not for blood clots and on to pussy clot, yo. Yeah.
Hey, all who go on in my people. Me know say all I wanna tune into Akeem and Rosealee and Annie and TikTok police and Diamond figure it out. But you know say the blood the way name there Wagwan with GX and Rosealee in a them love life and them bagger foolish Wagwan hotter than all of them there. It hotter than everything else on TikTok. But I feel like say just one little piece here I get, you know what I mean, make we not really tune in and say, yo, this hotter than everything what go up on TikTok, you know. Believe me, my people. Tell me in the comment section if what go on between Rosealee and GX in them love life and the girl them and the all of the something them. If you know hotter than everything.